Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Mohammad Abul Kalam Azad. My father name is Mohammad Abdul Karim and my mother name is Nurnessa Begum.
Okay, do you like your name?
Yeah, my father this name give me, so I love it.
Are you a student or are you an employee?
I'm a student and I study Eastern University, Faculty of Law.
Why have you chosen law?
Because my sister said to Faculty of Law to take and my sister background was law.
Okay.
That's why.
Do you like sports?
Obviously.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sports is cricket and I play.
Okay, when do you usually play cricket?
I played my free time and I part of Khagachur district under 14, 16 and 18. So I love it.
Okay, do you have a favorite cricketer?
Yeah, my favorite cricketer is Taim Iqbal and I follow him.
Okay, do you prefer batting or bowling?
My background was a keeper, so I follow keeping.
Okay, do you use Facebook?
Yes, sir.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Do you like animals?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a pet?
No, I have not pet. My mother have some cow and a goat.
Is your mother a housewife?
Yes, sir. My mother is a housewife.
Do you have a close relationship with your mother?
Yes, sir. Especially not my mother, but whole family.
Whole family?
Yes, sir.
Who is your favorite person?
My sister is my favorite.
Sister? Well,
Yes, sir.
okay. Is your sister married or unmarried?
My sister are married.
Do you know how to use a computer?
Unfortunately, no, sir.
Do you think it's very important to learn how to use a computer?
Obviously, your future you can job obviously. So most of the time, all of us are committed to computers. So obviously, you definitely use computer.
Do you prefer laptops or desktops?
I prefer laptop because it's carry too easy. That's why.
What do you want to do in the next 5 years?
I am student. I said so. That's why my time was studying. 4 years my completed to undergraduation, and last 1 year my completed my masters.
Well, thank you, Mr. Abul Kalam Azad. This is the end of your speaking test. This speaking test will help you boost up your confidence.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.